The push-to-close style latch is easily operated with one hand and helps secure the crimper to the wire. You'll notice a red and green LED light to ensure that full pressure is reached on every crimp. We'll notice a green light on this one. That means full pressure is reached. You'll also notice as the full pressure is reached, the ram retracts automatically. This is a time-saving feature to help you reduce the amount of time you have to hold the crimper. You can also catch the ram as it retracts to help save time on those longer connectors. The addition of the 11-ton dieless utility crimper to the MILWAUKEE crimping family delivers the easiest way to crimp utility connectors.